Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by assessing the damage so you know what to fix and why. Gently run your fingers along seams to find micro tears. This tells you whether cleaning or repair is required. Once done, mix 1/2 cup warm water with a drop of mild dish soap and dampen a microfiber cloth. You will remove surface oils first because they prevent adhesives from bonding later. Make sure to set aside the case to dry while you prepare repair materials. Now you clean deeper and address actual damage. First, brush grooves and seams to dislodge debris, rinse, and let the case air dry. Moisture ruins adhesive bonds. Next, for small tears, use a silicone-safe adhesive or double-sided silicone tape. Apply a thin bead, align edges, and press for 60 seconds to form a bond. If edges are stretched, warm the silicone briefly with a hairdryer from several inches away, then reshape with your finger. Finish by trimming any cured adhesive gently with a craft blade and buff seams with a microfiber cloth to match texture. Once done, fit the case on your phone to confirm button responsiveness and port clearance. This verifies that alignment didn't shift while curing. Make sure to wait 24 hours before regular use so the bond fully sets. If a repair fails, clean the area with 90% isopropyl alcohol, repeat the drying step, and reapply an approved silicone adhesive. This fixes most stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.